Crema. Now, repeat after me. Crema, crema. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary, one word at a time. Refers to the golden, creamy foam that forms on top of a freshly brewed espresso. It's a result of the coffee's oils emulsifying when high-pressure water passes through the coffee grounds, creating a layer of fine bubbles. The crema is considered a sign of a well-made espresso and contributes to its rich flavor and aroma. Think of it like this. Crema is that smooth golden layer on top of your espresso that signals a perfect brew. In a sentence, the espresso had a thick layer of crema, making it smooth and rich in flavor. Here, crema refers to the rich, foamy layer that enhances the coffee's taste. Let's try another example. Good crema is a sign that the espresso beans were freshly ground and brewed just right. Synonyms. Some related terms for crema are espresso foam, the foam layer that forms during the brewing of an espresso. Coffee crema, the specific term for the rich foam on espresso coffee. Antonyms. The opposite of crema would be flat coffee, coffee without any foam or richness. Stale espresso, espresso that lacks crema, indicating it wasn't brewed properly or the beans weren't fresh. Crema is a noun referring to the foam on top of a freshly brewed espresso. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.